Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to deep condition your hair using some products that you can find in your house. Okay, so I'm using some eggs, mayo, olive oil, and some honey. Okay, some honey. What? Some honey. Okay, yes. So I'm going to start with some eggs, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 3 scoops of mayo. Okay guys, you can add as much product as you want, but this is what works for my hair. So when you put that in the bowl, get yourself any kind of bowl. You can use a glass bowl like that I'm using right now, and just beat that up and make sure you have a nice smooth consistency. Already washed my hair using my favorite Herbal essence shampoo. I did not use any conditioner. I just washed my hair. If you guys want to see my wash routine, you can check out my other video, my previous video. I will put the link in the description below as well. And I'll just start applying my product. Making sure you're applying everywhere, rubbing it in your scalp, because you know we want it to get everywhere, guys. We want this to get all over. Alright, when you're done, just make sure you have your shower cap and wait for 20 minutes. I was waiting in the shower and I was having a little fun over there. You know me. Anyway, when you're done, make sure, guys, you do not rinse with hot water. Nothing hot. We're using cool water because this egg is going to cook in your hair. Well, when I'm done, I'm just going to dry my hair and use my Jamaican Black Castor Oil, Cantu shea butter, and twist my hair. And that's about it, and then we will meet later for styling. Alright guys, now that I'm done twisting my hair, I'm just gonna wear my scarf and go to sleep. I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, hello, we're back. The makeup is on point. The hair looks great. Okay, now we're gonna start. I'll just add a little bit of my coconut oil mixed with my Jamaican Black Castor Oil so it can shine. Make sure you're hitting the edges, honey, because we're trying to grow these edges. I'm just going to unravel my hair and then just comb my hair out, guys. Let's get back to the 70s, to the 60s, to the 50s. Okay, or maybe to the 80s with this Afro, baby. Yes, no heat, baby. We just flourishing like that, honey. Yes. Take a selfie, baby. Okay. some accessories. You know me, I have to accessorize everything. I'm using this Diana brush just to brush my sides a little bit, and I'm just gonna add some coconut oil, you know, on the sides, because today we're not using any gel. Using some bobby pins, just, you know, on the sides, just a little bit, so we get a little vava boom, you know. I am so excited. My hair is flourishing after this conditioning, okay? My hair feels so soft. It feels really, really rejuvenated. Oh, okay, okay. Look at that girl. Yes, African queen, yes. Okay. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, guys, and I'll see you guys later. Take care, stay blessed. Mwah.